has been a great experience. University of Houston Clear Lake, which I represent, is a medium-sized university with about 8,500 students with 10% international enrollment. But our challenge has been that with the changes in the international market, our enrollment has significantly declined from its highest peak. And one of the things that we were looking for working with the Mentor program was to learn how to diversify our international population. And part of that strategy that we have developed at our institution includes the use of agents, international agents, for recruitment purposes. And the Mentor program has helped substantially focus on what we need to do to be successful in that arena and in the international market. From looking at our missions processing and how we deal with a processing application and making decisions and turnaround times, to looking at our strategy in terms of how we market, how we position ourselves in the digital world, and to looking at avenues in terms of our competitive advantage based on where we stand in the marketplace and how to position ourselves, and it has been a great experience. It also has introduced me to the ICEF Miami circuit, and I'm very pleased to be here interviewing potential agents to launch our agent network in 2018.